How can I set up Google Authenticator on multiple devices?
Hello. Today we are going to discuss a critical part of your online security, two-factor authentication, specifically focusing on Google Authenticator. We will walk through how you can set up Google Authenticator on multiple devices, step by step.
What is Google Authenticator?
Google Authenticator is a free security app that can protect your accounts against password theft. It's easy to set up and can be used in a process called two-factor authentication, 2FA, offered on popular services like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more.
Setting up Google Authenticator for the first time.
If you are setting up Google Authenticator for the first time, you'll need to install the app on your device. Google Authenticator is available for both Android and iOS. Step 1. Download and install the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Step 2. Open the app and click on Begin. Step 3. Under Add an Account option, choose Scan a barcode if you are given a QR code or enter a provided key if given a string of characters. Here you'll have to go to the site or service you want to set up 2FA for, find the setting for 2FA, and they will provide either the QR code or the string of characters.
Adding Google Authenticator to multiple devices.
To set up Google Authenticator on a second device, you need to have access to the original setup QR code or secret key. Each time you set up Google Authenticator, the service will provide a unique secret key. To set up the same service on multiple devices, you need to capture this key and input it on each device. Step 1. When initially setting up 2FA for a service on your first device, make sure to capture the QR code or secret key. Step 2. Install the Google Authenticator app on your other devices. Step 3. On each device, open the app and select Enter a setup key under Add an Account. Step 4. Enter the same key you captured when you initially set up the service on your first device. By using the same key, Google Authenticator will generate the same verification codes on each device.
Things to remember.
It is crucial to remember that Google Authenticator doesn't sync across devices. If you lose the device without capturing the secret key, you may lose access to accounts protected by Google Authenticator. So make sure you save those secret keys or backup QR codes somewhere secure, but accessible if needed. And that's how you set up Google Authenticator on multiple devices. We hope this guide was useful, and you are now more confident in managing your online security. Remember, the digital world is always evolving, so stay informed and stay safe.